We have some updated information in regards to Madalina Cojocari. An arrest sheet from court records has been released that details a very messy timeline of events, with some information provided by Madalina's mother, her stepfather, and the school resource officer, as well as some others. On Monday, December 12th, 2022, at approximately 2 p.m., Bailey Middle School resource officer Jay Nobles attempted a home visit with 6th grade school counselor Miss D. Lampkin in reference to Madalina. Miss Lampkin stated that Madalina had not been at school since Monday, November 21st, 2022. There was no answer at the door, and a truancy packet was left by Miss Lampkin. On Wednesday, December 14th, Miss Lampkin advised that Diana Cojocari, Madalina's mother, called to request to set up a meeting in reference to Madalina. Diana stated she would bring Madalina to school on Thursday and meet with Miss Lampkins in regards to the truancy. On Thursday, December 15th, Diana arrived to the school without Madalina and met with Miss Lampkin, who requested Officer Nobles step into the meeting. That is when the officer was advised that Madalina had been missing since November 23rd at approximately 12 p.m. Officer Nobles then spoke with Diana, and she advised that she last saw Madalina on November 23rd at 10 p.m. She stated Madalina went into her room that night to go to bed. Diana stated her and her husband, Christopher Paulmiter, got into an argument that night, and the next morning he drove to his family's house in Michigan to recover some items. Diana stated she went to Madalina's room the next morning, November 24th, at 11:30 a.m. and noticed she was not there. Diana stated she waited until November 26th at 7 p.m. when Christopher returned to ask if he knew where Madalina was. Christopher states he did not know and asked the same question in return. When Diana was asked why she did not report Madalina missing until the 15th, she stated that she worried it may start a conflict between her and Christopher. Officer Nobles requested she contact Christopher and have him come to the school. Officer Nobles then contacted Detective G. Patterson and Detective B. Nichols for assistance. Chris Paulmiter stated that on November 23rd, he left his residence to go to Michigan to pick up some items. He stated that he did not see Madalina the day he left, and he believed the last time that he saw her was a week before his trip. He stated that he arrived back home on November 26th, and he asked Diana where Madalina was, and Diana said that she did not know. Chris told Diana that he didn't know where Madalina was either. Chris stated he asked Diana if she had hidden Madalina, and Diana asked Chris if he had hidden Madalina, and both said no. Chris also stated that he asked Diana several times about Madalina's whereabouts over the next 3 weeks, and they both stated they did not know where she was, but they did not contact police to report Madalina missing. In court on Tuesday, Diana Cojocari, who had been arrested along with Paulmiter for failure to report the girl missing, had her bond raised to $250,000. The prosecutor told the judge Cojocari had been hindering the investigation and was concerned she would continue to hinder the investigation if released. The judge ordered Cojocari to be electronically monitored if she posted bond. Before a different judge Monday, Paulmiter also had his bond raised and was accused by the district attorney's office of hindering the investigation. As of 11 a.m. on Tuesday, records show both Cojocari and Paulmiter had not posted bond. I will be keeping up with the updates on Madalina Cojocari, so please subscribe to my channel if you have not already so that you can get the notifications. Have a great day, everybody. Be safe.